be explaining how to blend a picture to a background. So let's assume you want to design and you want to blend this kind of picture to this background. If you watch my previous video, you realize that I used this as the background for the Thanksgiving flyer. If you haven't watched that, please kindly do that. You will learn so much from that video. So without wasting our time, I used black as my background, and peradventure you don't know how to do that, you go to this part, then you choose your color, and I chose the black as my background. That's it, and I imported this. So it's very simple. So I want to blend these parts. I want to blend this part. I want to use that part as the background. So click on it, then come to eraser, increase this. First thing, I'm going to make it sharp for this side only. Then I will increase this, reduce this, yes. Then I'm going to work on the edges. Yes. So just take your time, it's simple. And that's okay. Then check. Simple. Have you seen that now? So I have blended it to the background. I've blended it. So that's a very simple way. Though there are other ways, at least there are 3 ways. So I'm going to work on another video to explain how we can, other ways by which you can blend. But you want to design this is a very simple way. You can use this to blend, background pictures. I can use this to blend like 2 or 3 pictures together. And another thing you can just do is just to reduce the opacity. Yes, you can just reduce the opacity so it looks cool together. That's that. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly do, and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I post another video, you'll be able to get notified. And I want to thank you for your support. God bless you.